ready to turn your Kvcore website into a legendary content powerhouse. First, log into your Kvcore dashboard. Once you're in, look on the left-hand side of your screen for the Marketing tab and click on it. This will expand a menu. From this menu, select Blog. This is where the magic happens. Now you'll see your blog management page. To create a new post, click the prominent Add Post button, typically located at the top right-hand corner of the screen. You'll be directed to the blog post editor here. You'll need to fill out several key areas. Start with a captivating title that grabs attention. Next, craft your blog content. In the content section, make sure your writing is clear, engaging, and provides value to your readers. You can use the tools within the editor to format your text, add images, and even embed videos. Assign your blog post to relevant categories. You can also add tags or keywords to help people find your content. This helps with search engine optimization or SEO. Upload a featured image. This image will be displayed prominently with your blog post, so make sure it's eye-catching and relevant. Finally, when you're happy with your blog post, click the Publish button. Your blog is now live on your Kvcore website. You're on your way to attracting organic traffic, establishing thought leadership, and generating leads.